As someone said, people don't buy what you sell, but they buy why you sell it. Hello my beautiful people, how are you doing? Me, I am doing well. If you are new here, this is Karen from Cariz Beauty and Cosmetics, and today I am back with another video. Salut tout le monde, moi c'est Cariz de Cariz Beauty et Cosmetics. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Comment vous allez? Moi je vais tellement bien. Aujourd'hui, je viens encore de nouveau vous parler du make-up, bien sûr, comme vous le voyez. Mais aussi, on va parler un tout petit peu de ce qui m'inspire dans mon business, de ce qui fait à ce que je pousse, même s'il y a des obstacles et tout. If you always come around and you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, you know, subscribe, like the video, share with our friends so that we can grow our community. Si vous êtes nouveau ici et vous ne vous êtes pas encore abonné sur ma chaîne YouTube, abonnez-vous. Si vous venez toujours et vous ne vous êtes pas encore abonné, s'il vous plaît, abonnez-vous. Today I'm going to share with you something personal, something new, and as usual, show you how I did my makeup, yeah? And so guys, stay tuned and let's meet in the video.
I am not a motivation speaker and I'm not trying to be one. Today I'm just going to share with you the reason why I am into cosmetic business and know something else. Why am I into hair products? Why am I into facial products? Why not something else? Why not fashion? Why not wig? Why not clothes? Why not shoes? Yeah? Why not all those things but only cosmetics? Yeah, it is because I was motivated by my past and I wanted to help people who maybe have the same problem or had the same problem that I had and never got to a solution and never have a solution to their problems. And when I'm talking about that, I'm talking about acne, I'm talking about skin imperfections, I'm talking about dark spots. I'm talking about big pores. I'm talking about everything that you can think of about skin. So me personally, growing up, being a teenager, I had a lot of pimples, and no one could told me why I had pimples. Yeah, everybody will just say you're a teenager, so yeah, it's normal that you have pimples. But really, is it? Because not all teenagers have pimples. Teenager doesn't equal to pimples. So there is always a reason behind it. There is always a reason why you have pimples. And for me, I didn't know. And so I was trying to find a solution to something that I don't know the cause. So finding any solution. As you go, someone will tell you like, yeah, this product will work to your pimples. You pick it and you put it on your skin. You don't know what is into that the product you're using. You don't know why is it going, what is the reason, why is it going to work on my skin? Yeah, you don't know, but you just buy and put. I was just like that, ignorant, buying anything I could find on the market to use on my pimples, and nothing, absolutely nothing helped. At the end of the day, I kept using different products, home remedies, lemon, turmeric, name it, eggs, cinnamon, name it, everything, a lot, tomatoes, anything I could find. I used it on my skin, but nothing, absolutely nothing worked. I started using chemicals. I used black soap. Nothing worked, but kept destroying my skin every single day. And at one point, my skin barrier got destroyed, and my skin was sensitive to anything I could use. So at one point, I went into research. I started searching for the solution myself, and my friend happened to start her brand in India, Cariz Essentials. So she contacted me, and yeah, she told me, Karen, I'm selling these products and they are natural products. Can you try them? Can you sell them for me in Africa and all those things? I was interested because at first that's what I wanted to do. So I said, I will try your products. If they work for me, then I will start selling them. Then I tried her products. It worked on my skin. I was like, wow. After I started learning more about skin type, I started learning more about cosmetics. I started searching more about what cosmetic is made of, what sensitive skin should be using, what and so on and so forth. And at one point, I came to realize that you really don't need too much products or expensive products for you to get a good skin. When I mean expensive, I don't mean extra expensive. Don't need a $50 maybe cream for you to have a good skin. You just need to know your skin type and use a good product for your skin type. So when I came to realize that that is only the only solution that I can get, now I wanted to share with other people the experience that I had and share with people the solution that they can look for and how they can go about the problem that they have. So that was the reason why I opened the business that I opened. I hope that it inspired someone outside there, or it helped someone outside there.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Thank you for the new subscribers. So guys, if you enjoyed the video and if you think that the video is going to be useful to someone else, please share the video, leave your comments, like if you like the video, dislike if you didn't like the video. Let us meet next time in another video. God bless you. Bye.